There is an old Māori proverb that captures the soul of one of this country's most successful companies.
E hara aku toa, he takitahi, he toa aki tini.
The company is Mainfreight. Their mantra is special people, special company. Their DNA is carved out of hard work, ingenuity and a deep care for one another. Their unique culture has helped this company become a global supply chain success story. Mainfreight was founded in 1978 by one man and his 1969 Bedford truck. His strong vision was to build a culture around his people and take them on a 100-year journey. This journey is now in its 44th year, with operations in 24 countries, embracing over 10,000 team members. Mainfreight has experienced firsthand some of the unprecedented challenges facing the world today.
Well, as a global business and being in supply chain, it's very important that we are very sustainably conscious, and a lot of our customers now are very interested in it. In the past, it's probably been a bit of greenwashing, but now we've actually got where the rubber hits the road, excuse the pun. It's important that we actually come up with initiatives for our customers. The customers that we operate across are very conscious of their carbon footprints and coming up with different solutions and ideas about how we move goods, selecting the right modes to move goods, and having the flexibility across our network with our services to adapt the right solution for our customers is probably a point of difference that we offer the market. Climate change has impacted our water systems. To get around that, Mainfreight are building and recapturing our water by harvesting water from our roofs and our buildings and storing that in tanks that service our truck wash, our gardening needs, and also drinking water for our team. Our polystyrene compression machine takes a lot of that really hard to get rid of polystyrene and compresses that into a reusable source. The investment into our solar panels on our roofs is a really important initiative, and we're reusing a lot of that electricity that's captured through that to run our electric forklifts in our operations, and what we don't use in that, we resell back into the grid.
Mainfreight aim to be here for another 100 years, and so sustainability and sustainable practices are an important part of reaching that goal. One of Mainfreight's greatest concerns is looking to reduce their carbon footprint with a move to alternative fuels. And that's the reason they are trialling 4 exciting new Fuso eCanter trucks. 2 are involved with the Auckland Inner City Emissions Area trial, one of which is operating under their Owens brand. They share the group philosophy and are also passionate about sustainability. The Fuso eCanter is a product of world-leading Daimler technology, which has created a truck that is clean, quiet, cheaper to run and nimble around town. It's not only a state-of-the-art electric vehicle, but also a very safe one. It has advanced safety features like active emergency braking, lane departure warning and electronic stability control. For such a people-focused company like Mainfreight, that is great appeal. The Mainfreight culture is all about walking in their customers' shoes, so they have welcomed customer involvement in this trial. Mainfreight and Fuso New Zealand have developed an important partnership, delivering sustainability together.